Hi friends, so one of the political mantra supporter asked one question: will you support PM Modi if he proposes one nation, one election? So for my view concern, I will say it is a really great move by our honorable Prime Minister. Here is few reason why I am in support of this move. First is it will save a hell lots of taxpayer amount money. So as we know in our country, every year there is lots of election is happening, and for conducting these election require lots of money. And if there will be one election at the same time for the state as well as center, then we can save half of the money, because the amount that is getting spent in Lok Sabha election, with the same time you can utilize that money with the state election also, because that is happening in the same time. The second is diversion of security. So in the time of election there need lots of security forces to conduct fair election. So if it will continue in the whole year, then the police will waste lots of time in these states and central election, and their main work will be secondary. And if there will be one election and together with the like central and state as well, then the police can do best for their duties in protecting citizen as well as maintaining law and order. Third is government staff utilization. So every time when there is election, lots of government employee and teacher are putting there for the duties in the election, and because of that, election is happening whole 5 years. So their work and responsibility are also getting affected. So if teacher are teaching the student, they are basically shaping the future of our country. But if you are not doing their work properly, they are getting involved in the election process. So the future of our country is also getting affected. The fourth point is better development for our country. So because of the code of the conduct that is happening before the election, so you cannot take the like major decision for the development during that period. So if there is any important policy that should be implemented early, but if once election is announced, government could not do anything about the policy. And after the election, if suppose there is the election in other state also, then it will affect our country badly, because like whole 5 years somewhere election is happening, then it will affect badly in term of development. And if there will be one election, then there will be no problem in implementing, because it is just matter of few days, hardly 1 month. After that, any policy can be implemented like broadly in like whole country level. So there will be more chance of implementing new policy and growth of our country. But there is few drawbacks also, like if some situation happen and there is case of like hung assembly or some midterm election, so these basic issues need to be resolved before implementing these rules. So if these basic issues are getting solved, then it is like best move for our country, and it will contribute in the growth of our country. Thanks a lot.